we're not gonna survive this trip. Anyway, we're on our way to Halong Bay. It's a 4-hour drive, and we're halfway there right now. Yeah. 2 hours left. Anyway, fight on, bye. MTV crib. 106.
Here we go.
You got it, girl.
Uh-oh.
2 circles.
I did 2 circles.
You gotta go the other way, I think.
Well, hey.
Woo! We made it to our room. Ooh, we cuddling. We cuddling. Just kidding. Small little dopey beds. Oh, this is cute. Let there be light. What's the bathroom look like? You can take the big bed if you want.
Wait, this is so strange. Why is there a tiny, tiny bed in the
Why is it in the corner? Oh my gosh, this is like the nicest bathroom. There's no reason for this.
Ever?
No, but like, look at it. There's... Hello? Look at this shower. It's a real shower. It's not like a European shower. We look like we're in a...
Oh.
Come in. Yeah, we just came from kayaking, which was actually very leisurely and relaxing. But look at this view! Our ship is like somewhere in that general direction of cluster.
Yeah, I think it's the one far back there.
It's called the Starfish, which we didn't know. But anyway, we're going to the top of one of these islands right now, and I think we're halfway there. Which halfway wasn't too bad, but it definitely was like, it was rambunctious.
Let's do it.
Woo! Absolutely unreal. It is the most stunning thing. I keep saying that every new day we see something more stunning. But look at this. But look at that. Anyway, see you at the bottom. So we're on the top deck of our fun little junk boat in Halong Bay, and after we went to the top of that really cool, really close to my face. After we went to the top of the little hike, which was so gorgeous, we all ran home. Oh, and actually that's a lie. We went swimming at the beach, and that was kind of nice, but there were little mighty things in the water, and they were biting all of us. Trying so hard.
And she was talking about her time at the Jersey Shore, which she spent the most of her time at.
There's like this.
And I kicked a soccer ball.
I did too, and I made a goal.
Yeah, Kara did make a goal. So that was rambunctious, and then now we're just watching this beautiful sunset.
Ooh,
Well, we all have our lovely glasses of wine.
Cheers.
It's only day 1 with this group. But yeah, then we're gonna have dinner soon, so it'll be fun. I don't know what it's gonna be, and then we're on the boat all day tomorrow too.